Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a credit card with KeyBank, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy a credit card with KeyBank, begin by visiting the KeyBank website. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Navigate to the credit card section of the website. Review the various credit card options available. Select the credit card that best fits your needs. Click on the Apply Now button associated with your chosen card. Fill out the online application form with your personal information. Provide your financial details, including income and employment information. Review all the information for accuracy before submitting the application. Submit your application for review. You will receive a confirmation notification regarding the status of your application. If approved, you will receive an email outlining the next steps. Within a few days, you will receive your new credit card in the mail. Once you have your card, activate it by following the instructions provided. Log into your KeyBank account to manage your card and set up alerts. Familiarize yourself with the benefits and rewards associated with your new card. Start using your card while ensuring you stay within your budget. Make timely payments each month to maintain a good credit score. Regularly check your account statements for any discrepancies. Feel free to reach out to KeyBank's customer service for further assistance at any time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.